Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve a Pinterest login problem without VPN 2023. To know how to fix or how to solve a Pinterest login problem without VPN 2023, you should just go to settings like this, we click. After that, in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest. We'll find it here. Sorry, here. Then in this page we click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Then we go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see here, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.